music video lead.
Yeah, hi Shilpa.
Here,
Good evening.
if anybody else to see here, I think you do
Shilpa, good evening.
हे हे कशा काढायचं आहे माहित दोन स्क्रीन आहे ना ग
Shilpa, can you hear me?
नव
काय इकडे काय आहे तेच इकडे यायचं
Yeah, hi Madhavi. How are you?
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. You're from abroad or some other country, right?
Right.
Are you okay with this timing? That's good for you. What's going everything?
Yeah, this is only the time now you have.
Yeah, that's why we are having connecting the batch wise, the batch classes is the batch.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. Yeah, what about that? The HOD installation and all. Easy to work.
Actually, I didn't get a chance to look at it. The recording, Python got installed and Visual Studios is already there. So, yeah.
Because yesterday, what is the most important first class, the print function, and we tried to install. So many of them was trying to install, or anybody else facing issue. I want to discuss now. The first class, which was yesterday class, that we have started. That's why we started a little bit. So today, anybody else is still facing issue in installation process, or anybody else have anything else doubt inside in there? Can ask now. I give you enough time. Yesterday is the last class, so I don't want to stop. I try to discuss something else. That's why I started discussing about the print function and all, and keep on showing the outputs and all. So today we can able to spend time, and we can able to spend like for installation and all, or anybody else practice the code what I send here, what you recently seeing here, like this. Yeah. Anybody else any doubts are there? I am sending my code in our Teams chat. Okay. Make a use of everyone. All of them who don't know, who have understand the coding or any doubts are there, they can ask your doubts. Yeah, see, when we are doing like this, the operators. Okay, yesterday we have discussed about the last topic is operators. So arithmetic operators is over. Okay, coming to the comparison operators. Comparison operators I told. Okay, correct. Any doubts still? What is 10 equal to 10? What is 10 equal to string 10? Everybody know the answers, right?
Yes.
Or anybody else have still doubt? Okay. What about the arithmetic operators? Are everything okay? Fine. This is comparison, and another way it will call it as a relational operators. Okay. So comparison relational operators are there. Greater than equal to, greater than equal to are also there. So coming to the assignment operators, see assignment operators, like we can able to see what we are assigning first. We can able to assign like the example, like if a is equal to 10, okay, and I'm going to have a equal to a plus 5, okay. So I'm going to write it as a is equal to a plus 5. Instead of writing like this, we can able to write like in a similar way, like this. A is equal to a, before equal to you want to give plus symbol, and you want to give the 5. Like this you can write. Got it? You don't understand? Any doubts? Come on, friends, ask your doubts. I want to go. So many topics are there. Or otherwise, tell directly. There is no doubts and all.
Yeah, no doubts on this one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So now you guys want to know the activity like comparison operators. No, that plus equal to, minus equal to, anything will come. Okay. Multiply equal to. This is just you are assigning the assignments of the operators. That's it. So you can write like the keywords plus equal to, comma, minus equal to, comma, then one minute, I'm getting a call. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So assignment operators are like this: plus equal to, minus equal to, then multiply equal to. Just we are assigning the same value. That is called as the assignment operators. Okay. That is one of the example. This is a plus equal to 5. Okay. And this general very high level we will use it. Okay. And we want to see like conditional operators, logical operators. Okay. Conditional operators are logical operators. We can tell like for example n is equal to 10 here. I'm again writing m is equal to 5. Okay. So if I'm writing n is equal to 5, 10 and m is equal to 5, you want to apply the logical operator. Logical operator is and or not. Okay. So here in the print function, you want to call that a greater than 5. Okay. And for example, sorry, a no. You want to give like m greater than n, and you want to tell any specific number also is possible. Okay, like you can able to give like m greater than what you given 5, right? I'm giving here 4. Okay, and you given n greater than 11. What the answer will be there? The answer will be true or false.
False.
False. Madhavi, your side.
True.
True. Why it will be true? Why it will be false? Anybody can tell?
It is false because n equal to 10, and I think this will frame it is one is true, one is false, right?
Okay. So one is true, one is false means when we're giving to the and condition, it will check both the conditions should want to be true. So here
Yeah.
it should want to be less than 10. So if it is 8, then both the answer is true. So answer will be true. Okay, clear? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the way you guys want to understand the correct meaning. First, what is called as and. Okay, so now we are going to see the another operator like or. Okay, so print here the same condition what I given in the top, I try to give here also. Likewise m, and here we try to give greater than 4. Here or, okay, and then again n greater than 11. Here it say true or false.
True.
True.
True. Yeah, exactly. So here it will come as a true. Okay. And here it will come like also true. Coming to the next condition like print inside this not inside a greater than 5. So here it is false. Why? Sorry. Not a. I want to write here m. Here it is false. Why? The same value cannot, we can tell like the same value we can't able to tell like greater than. Okay, so the answer will come like false. And is it clear, everyone, or anybody else having doubt?
Can you explain that not thing again?
See, first of all, not means what? First, when we will compare the not get,
When it is some thing and not, I mean,
For example, you can say like not true equal to what the answer will come.
False.
false.
That is the answer. That's it.
So then
M
the
greater.
value will be true, right?
So, yeah,
For
in this
Yeah,
this
case,
yeah.
m is greater than 5.
is
The
false,
answer is
not false system.
true, right? True, right? It is true. It is not true. That's why we are
So
giving it a
no,
false.
no. M is not greater than 5, no. So it will be false. And not of false will be true. In this example, I'm saying.
Yeah, the exact value is 5. No. So the exact value is 5 means we can't able to tell it is a 5 greater than 5. Everyone understand? Like this, in this example, 5 greater than 5, we can't able to tell the same number, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah.
That's it. Since any doubt?
No.
Okay. If it is n, then that is a matter. Okay. If it is a n, then that makes a false. If it is m, then it will be true one. Okay, clear? So I try to say this is the statement you guys want to understand. Not true equal to false, and same again. Not false. Not false means here the bracket will be there, and then with that it try to check the condition. Then it will be equal to true. Okay, please keep in your everyone. This understanding is very important. Clear? Got it? Any doubt?
Can you come again with the not means m is 5, right? Yeah, m5 greater than 5 will be false. So if we make not means
The answer is true. Like this.
okay,
The answer is
you're
true here.
wantedly making that state. You're wantedly making that changing the boolean to true.
Mm, 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 mm.
Yeah, you're wantedly making that that condition to true. Why? In which case do we use this?
When we need a result is in the reverse order, that case we will use.
Uh,
We
okay,
know that the
okay,
case like that way we can able to use it. The condition we want to make it as a file, then that condition we can able to apply it like that. Like that angle we can able to do it.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So these are
okay.
the basic operators, logic operators, very important. Logic operators we use so many areas. Okay. So I prefer always logic operators. Okay. So I hope now we can go to the another operators. Okay. Another operators is like a bitwise operator. Bitwise operator means so bitwise dot py. So what is bitwise operator? Bitwise operator is very simple. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to sorry B is equal to 3. Okay. When we have coming from front, here you can say A and B. So it will work in the bitwise. So what is meaning called as bitwise? Anybody know? First of all, bitwise means what? Anybody know what is the way we can able to call here 5 equal to? That means first of all, I try to show 1 equal to, okay, 1 equal to 0 equal to, we will tell 000. Okay, same 1 equal to, we will say like 0001. That means a binary numbers only 0 and 1 only will come. If 2 equal to, what the answer will be there? 0010. Do you know this? Everybody know this? This is called as bitwise operators. So if I try to print the 5, or you try to compare the values A and 5 like that, then what it will come? Everyone got it what I'm trying to say? Hello?
Yeah, you are trying to tell binary calculation.
Yeah. This is little bit we will not use. So many organizations will not prefer, but as a syllabus wise, we want to know the bitwise operator. So I'm trying to show what is the meaning as bitwise operator. Okay, it is a binary calculation for 0, 0000, the same as it is 1, 0001, 2, 0010, like that. The binary wise that the access will be there. If the 5 for 5, what is the access will be there? Anybody know? See, for 3 equal to, how it will be there? 0011. Okay. So for same, 4 is equal to 0100. Okay. This is not used in a major area, but we want to know what is called as binary language. So this is that was I'm trying to show here. Okay. So for 5, you can able to see the output like in bitwise operator. You can tell like the value is 0101. Okay. So for 4, it is 0100. The for 5, it is 0101. Okay, clear? Any doubt? So if I'm giving print, okay, I'm going to print here A and B. What the value will be there? You can able to do it here. How we can do it? You can do it like 0011. So 1 1. What the value will come? 1 minus 1, 0. The last value will be 0. Okay. Again 10 minus 1, because first time there will not be equal, right? So here you can tell, you can get the value as 0001. The binary calculations, one you guys trying to prefer, no? You guys want to understand. So the value will come it as here as a 1. The same when we try to add the value. If you're giving here, instead of this and, you are trying to give the symbol as pipe symbol, then it will add the values. So here the value will be added, and then it will try to show first 1 will come. Okay, 1 will come, and 01 also it will come like again 1. Okay, and then when we come into the 10, again 1 will come. Okay, and then Here 0 will come. So the answer is here is equal to 7. Okay, so this answer is little bit different. When we are giving AND gate, sorry, and bitwise or bitwise, please understand the meaning. Okay, here in any industry purposes will not use, but just try to understand what is the meaning of bitwise operator. Okay, clear. I know this is very a new topic. Everyone will be very difficult to understand. Just take a look on that. Bitwise operator is there. Only 0 and 1 only will be there. There is bitwise operators are like AND or XOR not. Like that, we have so many things are there. One of the thing I shown for you guys. Okay. Just forgot this. Okay. Just forgot this. Now coming to the new one. Here we can able to see the
Swaroop, can you please put in the chat the operator whatever you, because we are not we are just
No, what-
looking at it so that we can practice it before by the time we get the recording.
Madhavi. Yes,
Yeah.
Madhavi. I will send the PDF file in all the
Okay.
group. Okay, so you will get the notes. So you will make a use of it.
Okay, thank you.
Only operators alone, I will send one PDF file that everybody make a use of that. Okay, clear? So coming here, a membership operators. A membership operator is like the way of array concepts. So when we learning the array concept, we will learn that. Okay. Now we are going to learn the identity. Identity means what? It is the same object or it's a different object. It comes from same information or different information. Checking whether two variables refer to the same object or not. Okay. See, I'm going to tell about the identity. So identity operator. This is a little bit tricky. Okay. That's why I try to show it with a new example. A is equal to 10. I'm referring here. And again, B is equal to again 10. Okay. If you going to print in the function as A is B, what the output will come? And again, the same print inside, we try to tell A is not B. Okay. This operator also we will not use. So just I'm trying to show the example. Okay. Anybody else want to see the output? I will show the output. Before anybody can guess what is the output will be there. First of all, what is this? A is B.
Comparison.
Both are 10, right?
Both are 10. Okay. Comparison. Okay. So it will tell true or false. Okay. So here it will show the true or false. What the value will be there?
True.
For first one is true, second one is false. That's it. Okay. Clear? It's a simple one. That's it. Clear? We can give like equal to. That is also the same activity for this. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So this is the operators. Operators now over. Now we can move to the another topic. Coming to the conditional statements and loops. Okay. These are the very important topic. Please try to understand. First, conditional statements. What is conditional statements? Who knows what about the conditional statements?
While, do while, or like this, right?
Like
That we are
that
checking for
comes
the
under
condition.
loop. Yeah, while it will comes under condition based not, but it will check the condition. But it comes under looping because it will continue to the loop. Okay. Conditional statements means it will comes under the if loop, switch loop only. If loop, else if, this all comes under conditional statements.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. What about switch? Switch also base same. Okay, it will check the condition only. Okay. So I try to show separate wise. First I try to show the if, okay, if dot py. Okay. So we take any examples. Just I try to take a small example. You can give if alone. That is also possible. See, if a is equal to 10, okay, you're giving if alone a greater than 5, then that is correct. Here you can able to give the print. Inside the print, you can able to tell it as a is greater than 5. Okay, this happens. But you want to give two conditions, or you want to give the negative condition. You can give negative condition. How can you give negative condition? You can give negative condition in the else part here. Else colon. You can give print. Here it is a smaller. That's it. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Else is like a negative part. You, if you need, you can give. You can't give also. That's your wish. But if you given else part, if you not given else part, the condition if it is failed. For example, here it is 15. Okay, here it is 15. The condition is failed. The else part if you not given, then what happened? What happened? Shilpa, Madhavi, anybody else?
Nothing will be printed.
Yeah, very good. Nothing will be printed. We don't know the loop run or not run itself. We don't know. Correct? Because the output will be empty. So when we face like this issue, we can able to give the else part. So else part is always giving is a good practice way of coding. So you can able to run once, you can able to see the output. The answer is smaller. Okay, clear? So please understand the syntax wise everything. Okay, I also give the statement, the looping, whatever we are discussing here. I will give the PDF file. So whatever we are seeing today class, I will send a separate PDF file in all the 5 groups. Okay, make a use of everyone. Yeah. Any doubts behind this? See, if else is very, very important. And else if it's also very, very important. You can able to give 2 condition based. See, I need 2 condition based. You can give here as a second condition. Else if I can give the a greater than or equal to 10. Okay. So now you can print the function it as a correct. Okay. And you can tell it as an else. Okay. In else, you can tell it as a smaller. That's it. Then what the answer will be printed now?
Correct.
Sure. Sure, current will be printed.
Yeah,
Let's
correct.
see. The correct will be printed. Okay. Okay, whether I give here the answer is 11, then what will happen? Here 11, but I given here as a 5. Here also I given here 10. See, here also this condition pass. Here also this condition is pass. Then what happened? Here also condition pass. Here also condition pass. Which will it will meet first?
Is greater than
We'll go the
5.
first one, right?
First one it will execute.
It will go
Yeah,
because after first one, it won't go to the next one.
Yeah. Correct. So the first one is greater than a greater than 5 is the first answer. Okay. Yeah. So I hope now what is the if else everybody have understand very well. So now we go to the switch statement. Okay. So do you want to explain anything else in the if else if here again? Since doubt is there. No, right?
What is the difference between elif and else?
Elif and else. Elif is the way you can give the condition. Here you can give the condition. Here it is a negative part. If both the condition it does not appear, the else will happen. That's it. Okay. Now coming to the switch. Okay.
So else is applicable to both if and elif, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also here, instead of else if, we need to give it as elif in Python, right? Or else instead of elif, we can give it as else if. Both will work, or else elif alone will work.
LF only will work.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay, sure. Clear.
Coming to the switch. Okay. In the switch statement, we should want to give like here, the keyword is called as match. Okay. Match. I'm giving one variable. The variable is day. Okay. I'm giving the variable here. I want to introduce here. So day is equal to 2. Like that I given. Okay. This is called as expression. Okay. So the variable I given there, where it is meet. For example, case 1, I try to give print inside. I try to give Monday. Got it. The same case 2. It try to print Tuesday. Clear. Case 3. It print Wednesday. Okay. So this is the important one. The case default, like, okay, we can able to consider like this called as a default. I can able to print invalid. Okay, clear. So if you give the command here as the expression as 6, so what the answer will be there? So it is like a default. The default value only will be invalid. The invalid only will be printed. Clear. This syntax error. Why we have given correct value only. Okay, let me come like this. So like a default, it is correct only. How it is possible? Again, I want to check the version. Well, the version is not right. Okay, invalid. Yeah, now coming correctly. Okay, clear? Any doubts? And please remember that the version above 3.9 only it will work. Please remember that 3.9 above only it will work. It is the latest one. The switch case, the match case will work above 3.9. Okay, clear? Any doubts?
That is a version of Visual Studio.
No. It is a Python issue.
Okay. Okay.
Any doubts?
Let's clear.
Okay. So shall we start the learning the looping? Looping only we have the person told like while loop, do while loop, everything which comes from there only. So first we will try to see the while loop. Okay. So while loop here I is equal to 1. Again while loop I greater than equal to 5. Okay, colon, because it will check the first the condition before executing the loop. It will check the condition. Print here I. Now you can able to give I equal to I plus 1. Otherwise, you can able to give the assignment operators. Assignment operators you know very well. I equal to plus 1. So what the value will be there? First it will print the 1 or not. First it will print the 1 or not.
Yes.
And it will print the 5 or not.
Yes.
It will print 6 or not. Because when it enter,
No.
very good. When it enter the first time, the 1 will be printed. Correct. Second time, when it's entering, it will be addition. It will be added with 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 will be printed. Okay. The third time, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Again, when it tried to have the fourth time, 4. 5. 5 also will be printed because we have given the equal to condition also here. Greater than or equal to. Okay, so the 5 will be printed. Now, when we come into the 6, the condition fails here. So the 6 will not be printed. Clear? Any doubt? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any doubt? Any doubts? So first of all, understand what is the syntax here. Then try to execute the loop. Okay, clear?
So in Python, mostly all these what do you say? Conditions have this colon, right, at the end, like for else, switch, while, because we have used
Yeah,
maybe brackets or something like this. I couldn't make
yeah,
out first it was semicolon or colon. Okay.
this is a semicolon. It's like a
No, it's
this
a
symbol.
colon, I think.
This symbol.
Yeah, that's simple.
Symbol
Yeah.
is colon.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
That is the syntax for Python. It is an interrupted, right? That's why it is
Mm,
using the colon.
okay.
Okay.
Oh, what is that you said? Why it is colon?
Always Python use interrupted language.
Okay.
Clear? Readouts.
No.
Okay. Now tell me about uh, while loop I shown here. I am going to show the for loop. Okay. What about the do while? Do while does not exist in the Python. Why? It exists only in Java and JavaScript only. Why? That was I told now. Do while need the interrupted language not possible. Okay, so I try to write in the notepad here separately. So see here, do while like it try to execute first the loop, then only it will do it, right? So it comes under Java or JavaScript only. Clear? In Python, there's no do while. Here, after it check the condition. So that is not possible in the Python. Clear?
Can you give the reason again why it is not there?
Mm, it in interrupted language, it is not possible. That's it. Python does not support the do while because
Okay.
do while runs at least one time before checking the condition. Here it will runs at least one time. The while condition after
Okay.
only it will check. So it is not possible in Python.
No, you were telling about the interpreter, right? That one I'm
Mm-hmm.
asking. So some interpret it won't work. Something you have said, right? That one. Can you please come again?
Yeah. See, in interpreted means the statement is not correct. That is the reason it's different here. That's why the do while will not work here. Because the Python designer wanted similar syntaxes. Either C, for example, in if you are giving first the condition, correct? And
Yes.
you're giving colon symbol. In while how you doing? In while you giving the condition may be like a true, then only it will enter in the loop itself, right? So the do while is not
Yes.
possible. Python is called as an interpreted language because the code runs line by line using an interpreter. Okay. So
Okay.
design a choice, not interrupt the reason. That's it. Here we will use only for loop, while loop. That's it.
Okay.
In the PDF file, I will show the meeting. I will show the reason also. Okay, what is the why we are not having the do while loop also? I will write inside the PDF file and then I will execute and then I will explain everything to you. Okay. The PDF file I will share today by the end of the class. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Do while loop is also executable by the way we can tell, like here you can give the if condition here. You can give the if condition like if I greater than 5, like that you can give. And here you can give the break. You can give here directly a true statement. So it will enter into the loop and it will execute, keep on, then it will check the condition. So now here the do while is possible. Because you are given the condition as a true blankly. Then only you give the condition here. So it's possible that it's considered as a do while loop. Clear? Got it? See, you can see the output also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Shilpa, Madhavi.
No, I'm good.
Okay, I hope everyone was good. Okay, we are going now to the for loop. Okay, for loop is a little bit the easiest one. All of them are seen too. So in the for loop, everybody know that for in is there. Okay, for in. So in the for in, how to write the loop, I'm going to show now. Okay, .py file. So first of all, here very easy, simple. Okay, for here you want to write the variable. Variable is I. Okay, in range. Here you can give the sequence. What is the maximum value you need? Like that you can give, like for example 5 colon print again the I. That's it. Clear. Now what is the value? First value it will be printed.
One.
1. The number starts with 1. The number always
0.
starts with 0. No. So
Zero.
the 0 will be the first value. Okay. What is the last value? The last value 5 will be printed or not?
It's 4, right?
4. Okay. Then what is called as range? What is called as range?
Up to 5.
After 5. I can't understand. Explain
Up
a little
to.
bit.
Up to. Yeah. Iterate up to 5.
Iterate. Okay, iterate up to 5.
Within
Okay.
5.
Okay. Within 5. So you can able to write like this. If the number wise you're writing the way you're telling like here, that's why we are using the range keyword. Okay, you forgot this. You coming to the character data type. Okay, for ch is a character data type. In double quotes, I try to write Python. Okay, colon. Here, if you print the ch, what will happen? What will happen?
Nothing will be printed because there is no ch in Python, right?
No, Python has the ch, right? Why does
I
not
think
have?
it will print all the characters.
Oh, yeah. See, Python. Python. Okay, clear?
Okay.
But why it didn't print 5 and now n it printed? Range 5. So range means starting and ending integer should be dropped, right? So it printed 0 and didn't print 5. So range is something in between, correct? So the ending integer should not get printed. It is within something, correct? So why 5 is not printed, but 0 is printed?
No. See, 5 is not in the loop itself, right? When the 5 comes, it fails the condition, right? So that's why the iteration it will fail. It tried to iterate from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. That's why it is showing four values.
So range 5 means you mean to say up to 5 it is the meaning.
The up to 5. No, the range means here I can able to explain here. You ask a good doubt. See, range, you try to consider that any number that is n. Okay, n. You want to have here the value is 0 to n minus 1. That's it. Okay, clear?
Okay, n minus 1. Okay.
So all the that value will be minus 1. So the next the previous value will be printed up to that. Clear? I hope I want to be clear. Okay.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. And now coming here again, if I try to give inside if condition again, if condition I equal to 2 colon, I give here continue. What the answer will be there? What the answer will be there?
Two will not be printed, it will get skipped.
0, 1, 2.
Same output only. Same
Huh?
output only. Same output only.
No. Continue is there. Something else. If condition is here, what will happen? Something
It
should
will
want to
skip
happen,
2.
right? Yeah, very good. It will skip 2. If I given instead of continue, I given only break, then what happened?
Up to 2 only it will print.
Up to 2 only, or 2 will come or not come?
2 will not be.
It will
2
come.
will not come.
One answer I need. Okay, let's see the answer.
It will come.
It will come or not come? Okay, let's see the answer. We save the file and I try to execute. The answer is going to be what?
0 and 1.
Answer. Yeah, very good. 0 and 1 only. So 0 and 1 only will print. Okay, clear? Because when it is equal to 2, that time there is a break, right? So the break means it will try to terminate there, to stop the loop. The condition is true, so it stops the loops. That's it.
And when you have continue,
When continue, the particular value will be skipped. See, I am giving continue here. I save the file. See 0, 1, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 4 was there. In top, it have only 0, 1. So the 2 will be skipped. That's it.
okay.
Clear? Any doubts still? I hope there should not want to be any doubts. Yeah, okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for joining the class. If any doubt, please refer the recording. Please refer the PDF file what I'm sending. Okay. Come with me on tomorrow. Okay. Loops, operators, and whatever the basic we have learned about the print function. All together, we try to revise 5 minutes tomorrow class, and we'll start to a new topic. Okay, clear? Fine.
So the PDF will be shared on WhatsApp or on Teams itself?
WhatsApp. In Teams, I can't
Okay.
able to share anything else. I think so. If I can able to share, I can able to share in both the okay.
Sure, yeah.
But mostly I would prefer Teams. Teams not. I prefer mostly WhatsApp. That's good. Yeah, thank you, friends. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.